Hey, now I'm Whit, and I'm excited. The new VanBanner LEA Field Watch is finally here, and there's a bunch of surprises inside this package because I was an early bird backer of the project. So I'm going to share those with you next on Watch Whit. Yeah, it's been over a year since I ordered this watch, but it got hit with that NH35 shortage, and then of course he put out the Parking Master and put out the AO. So this was supposed to come out before both of those watches. So finally here. Again, there's some surprises inside, and I don't even remember all. I know there's a bunch of extra straps, and there's one new thing that early backers got as well. Okay. I see the first batch of goodies. Oh, look at this. Yes. Oh, I can't even get them out. Come on. Look at that strap haul. Yes. Got a leather NATO style. This is the original band that I remember seeing it on. Like a canvas or nylon NATO. And then you've got two-piece. I guess I should take them out of the plastic, huh? Oh, cool. Two-piece brown leather. Nice stitching. You get the LEA signature on it as well. That's pretty cool. Look at that vintage look. It's nice and glossy. And here's that double pass NATO, which has got like a bead blasted finish to it, and I love those reinforced holes. That is killer. And then that's the same style NATO double pass, but in leather and with black hardware, but then you just got the regular leather holes on this one. All right, let's get inside. Oh, they got new boxes. That kind of reminds me of like the G-Shock tins, except that it's square. But I mean that kind of design there with the black and white. And then look at that with the wax seal VanBanner logo. That's pretty classy. Dig it. Great economical package. I mean, you could reuse this box for something too. Please read instructions before using the watch. I guess those are the instructions. All right, we'll get it. We'll do it. Oh, this is the one. All right, little VanBanner cleaning cloth. You're like, all right, enough already with the goodies. Get to the watch. I feel the same way. Oh, this is it. I'm excited to see this. Yes. Oh. And look at that. He did a black mesh with the LEA logo on it as well. Now again, when I bought the watch, it was shown on this. So all this stuff that you see here, these extra straps and this strap, that's all bonus for being an early bird backer since the project took so long. When I bought it, I just bought the watch head and this green strap. Is all I knew to be coming on. And then you're wondering, well, what's in here? We'll find out in a minute. I'm going to show you this first. Oh, wasn't that bad? Just a wrap on the bracelet, so I saved this for you. This is a down and dirty, easy one, I can tell. Oh, the quiet peel. Look at that dial. So let's start right here. Yes. Sandwich dial. See that black inner part of the dial? Underneath is Lume, where you see the numerals for the indices. And then you've got the next layer up is the green section on that outer part of the dial, which carries your minute markers and your chapter ring. And look at that handset, particularly the seconds hand. It looks like it's 10 miles long, right? All the way out to the chapter ring. Beautiful red arrowhead tip to it. And then nice looking counterbalance. Got those sword hands. Very easy to read. See, this is what introduced me to VanBanner, was this watch. I hemmed and hawed about it for a while, and then like within the last 2 hours before the early bird special went away, I pulled the trigger and bought it. And again, this was April of 2021. So that's how long it took to get this watch to life. So a lot of people backed out. A lot of people went ahead and took their credit and got a PM 2.0. But there are a few of us that stuck around and decided, no, this is it. Yeah, because when I saw this, I thought this is the perfect field watch for me. It's got everything I want, except it doesn't have 24-hour markers. But with this dial the way it is, I think it'd be too busy if it did have it. So let's explore around a little more. So again, you got the date complication there. You can see you get a preview of 3 of the days, and then the arrow pointing to, in the center, pointing to today's date. And then you see automatic covers up the 30 there. And what is the Riot? Okay, the Riot's just the stainless steel. It's just a steep slope straight up and down. Let's check out this bezel. Look at that nice matte finish. And you see the beveled edge of the crystal coming up there. Sapphire crystal, by the way, flat. And you see the VanBanner placard on the side. That's probably going to be hit or miss with a lot of people. Look at it's got some width to it as well. That's nice. It's not just a cheesy little stamped placard. That's nice. Drilled lugs. And again, we were talking about that bezel though. Look at that bezel. Nice matte black finish. I love black on top of stainless steel. Looks so killer. Okay, so the bezel is, oh, that's super tight. You're not going to bump that on accident. That's great. Man, that is great. Nice resistance. A little bit of back play. See that? Looks like it wants to sit in place though, so it's fine. You want to hear it? Yeah, that's nice. Easy to grip. Look at that traction. You can grab that from anywhere. Top and bottom, 3/4. Even with the crown being in the way, you can still grab it right there as well. Oh, that's a nice bezel. So some people are calling this a field diver because that's the next thing. So you got this 120 click unidirectional bezel, and then you've got 20-minute markers there, and I believe it's 300 meters of water resistance. That's great for a field watch, right? There it is, LEA water resistance 300 meters. Now that's a field watch. And then you've got this signed crown as well. Look at that, just happens to line up. Beautiful. A little satin finish to this case. Nice angular lugs there. And you see that little design of the notch out as well. That's cool. Yeah, digging this. All right, let me measure for you. I know it's a big boy, but I can't remember what it is. 46 millimeters. Oh, some of that is that placard though. Yeah, 45, a little over 45 millimeters, and that sounds familiar to me now, 45 millimeters, that's what I'm remembering. So yeah, that really does. Can you see it there? Let me zoom in a little. That'll give you a better idea. See how much that plaque sticks out? That's cool. And it's polished too. Just on the edge. And the signature itself, the name as well. That's pretty cool. All right, 52.4 millimeters lug to lug, 24 millimeter lug opening, and 14.2 millimeters thick. And the crown is 8 millimeters. Got some great knurling on there as well. It looks like it matches the bezel, just in a different finish, obviously. All right, I'm going to save the lume for the end. This got tons of lume. I don't know if you've seen little hints of this on Instagram or not yet, but ooh, it's great. So hang out for the lume. I'll do it along with this watch. Kind of save it for the end. That's cool. Look at that bad boy. Man, I love the black on stainless steel. And then it ties in with that black inner dial too. That is just so sweet. Okay, now for 10 number 2. So what the deal is, when LV and VanBanner watches came up with the LEA, it was just this watch. Like I said, this is the only one that this is what I know as LEA. It only came in green and black like this, right? Well, with the delay, he kept tinkering, and there's actually 3 variations, or rather 3 different dials of LEA, and 6, so a total of 6 variations when you count colors and dials. So 3 dials, total of 6 variations. So this is one of them. And this was a free gift as part of the early bird backer. So again, got the watch, the extra straps, and this second watch now. And the reason for that is that the watch essentially is going to be the same price to you if you want to buy this thing now as when I bought it. But you're just not going to get all the extra stuff. So that was his way of making it right to the early bird backers, especially with that delay as well. He gave us the watch, a bunch of straps, and an extra watch. Cool company, right? They do things right. So same presentation. You've got the please read the instructions, the cleaning cloth, and watch number 2. All right, it's the same black mesh bracelet with LEA, but red. And look at that, fume and a different dial pattern. Oh, so you still got the date cut out the same. Let's get this out of the way. It's different down here. You see 30 ATM. And oh, this is oh yeah. I actually remember this being a version now. Distressed finish. That is so cool. And the top of the bezel has got it too. It just it's got that, been around a while look. Wow. Bezel has the same traction. Oh, that is sweet. So you see automatic and 30 ATM and your date window. And look how he took the logo and separated it, VB. And you got that stencil numeral look to it. Look at the legibility on the minute track. Man, is that sandwich too? Oh, it is. So all you see in this yellowish color is underneath the red. That's a sandwich dial as well. I didn't even notice that at first. Man, that's cool. Look at that handset in black for great contrast. All right, let me try this one on so you see that. I didn't take the plastic off yet in the interest of time. This video is going to be 30 minutes long. Oh yeah, man, that's a sharp red. Little sunburst to it. See that? All right, you want to go to the Lume Party? Okay, I'm going to show you one at a time because it's just easier to hold and focus everything. So this is the original green with the black inner dial. So you've got BGW9 blue on the numerals and the handset, and then C3 green everywhere else. So that chapter ring, your minute markers, the bezel, that is sweet. Super bright and love the contrast. Man, now and this one's a blowtorch. This is the red one. So it's C3 green everywhere except the handset is BGW9 blue, and the Lume pip on the bezel is C3 green, but then the rest of the bezel is done in blue. This thing is bright. It's a Lume Party. Yes, those are blowtorches. Very cool. So I'll make the next 10 minutes of this video just this. Oh, that's sweet. Man, Lume junkies, look out. Got a good one for you. Look at that. I love that inner dial here too with the blue. Look how small it looks, that intersection. Okay, I could not let this video go without showing you what it looked like on that nylon or canvas NATO. And this is set up for a smaller wrist too. Look how many holes here. I'm on I mean, it's kind of stiff right now, so I could probably, once this gets broken in, go a little tighter, but I'm on the third from the last hole with an 8-inch wrist, and this is a 45mm watch. So this is set up for some smaller wrists, at least this strap here. But that is the look. That is what attracted me to this watch. I mean, that is a great looking field watch, right? And then I stuck this one on the leather strap as well with the distressed buckle. This has got a killer look. Look at that. All right, so availability. How do you get this watch? I don't know a lot about it because, again, this was just my personal purchase unboxing. So the early birds got theirs first before it is going to market. But it should be any day if it's not already out. So be scanning that VanBanner website. Follow them on Instagram, and you will see when this watch comes out. I'm told it's going to be around 288 Canadian, which is about 222 US dollars. And I don't know the configuration that you'll get of straps. I mean, I can't even assume. I don't want to say what you'll get because, again, I know that there were some free straps for me as an early bird supporter. So, again, just scan that website, and I will have some more clarity when I show you a third dial variation very soon. So again, there are 3 different dials. You're seeing 2 of them here. They're both called LEA. It's just 3 different variations. Here are 2 of them, and I'll show you the third one in a future video. So the VanBanner LEA Field Watch, or Field Diver, if you will. I mean, 300 meters of water resistance and a diver's bezel. I mean, you're kind of mashing up a few different looks here. You know, pilot watch, field watch, diver. It's got it all. And it works. Look at that. And you've only seen 2 of the 3 dials. So let me know what you think down below. Leave me your comments and like this video if you enjoyed it. And make sure you give me a follow. That way you can see all the videos I have to show you. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money. Oh, look what I forgot to show you.